Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm going to come here,
I'm going to.
Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. I'm doing something. I'm gonna unbox all my presents from Santa. Come. Okay, look at my small Christmas tree. Look at that. How cute is that? I really like it and I really love this one. So I'm gonna start. Come babe, come. Sit. I'm gonna give Kintari first. What is yours there?
Huh?
I told you. Put the Kintari, so I'm gonna give to her, but then we open.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is for mommy. It's me. Gigi didn't. Oh no.
Just for mum.
Yeah.
I'll have to put it.
Give it to mom.
I'll give it to mum.
And this is from me for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, balloon collection, cashmere. Oh, I love the smell of cashmere.
I don't know the smell of that.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's like vanilla.
I'm return a bit from you. Okay, give it to her.
Oh,
Yay! Thank you, Santa.
Oh,
And
smelly stuff. I like small stuff.
this is for you from wife.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you, Santa.
Santa, give it to you.
You stop. Why? Because I'm a stag. I'm a moose. I'm a hoodie.
I thought you said something else.
Hoodie.
Fat moose.
I'm a fat moose. More like a fat stag.
Yeah, this one came from one of my husband colleague.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. How cool this? What is this, love?
Very expensive scotch.
Yeah,
it
it's
looks like
whiskey, you know,
From Scotland.
from Scotland.
Scotch
Whoa.
whiskey.
And
And I got Christmas card as well.
yes,
With all the
and
writing inside.
we have another wine from other friends.
It's from Michael.
Michael.
It's Kylie Minogue wine.
This is for you, darling.
Oh, no
It's
point.
Kylie Minogue rose wine.
And
Rose wash. Wine.
Yeah, so we sorted the wine. Right?
I'm gonna open this. What is this? I get this present from a party with the expense gift, and
What's
I got
that?
this. I don't know really what it is.
Baileys.
Wow.
Oh,
What is
wow.
this?
It's liquor.
It's ladies' sweet drink.
Look.
It's liquor.
It's like a wine.
No,
Baileys. No, Baileys is like liquor, proper liquor.
cream.
It's
No, I don't
nice.
like it.
Limited edition. Wow.
Oh, give it some.
Apple pie. Wow.
That looks
And
amazing.
look at this. It's
There's cream, you know. There's
tea.
milk in like shops and stuff. There's like cream for it.
Yeah. And this is.
and this one. Look at this, guys. How cool is this? I'm so excited to open this because I can see like, oh my god. I
from
think I
Mommy.
love it. This came from mommy.
Wow. Smell this thing.
I'm gonna open this because I can't wait.
Ooh.
Yeah, show it into the camera. May I smell because I know don't know. the
Was
smell.
it? You can't smell it and spray it.
Oh, it's so feminine.
It smells like.
Oh my god, show your friend, darling. Just sit beside me.
It's a.
So at least I can show your
I've just
beautiful
unpacked one.
face on my vlog.
I'm
Say something.
his sister. My name's Rintari. That's my sister-in-law,
Yes.
and I'm unpacking presents.
Yeah, we're unpacking presents.
They smell nice. It looks like bars of soap, but it's not. Oh, another
Oh,
one.
what is that?
It's body lotion.
Smell the lotion?
Body lotion. Oh, it's closed.
Okay, no, no
Oh.
need to smell it then.
Oh, I know what it smells like because it's cashmere. I love cashmere.
You want cashmere?
Cashmere is really good. I love the smell of cashmere. I think you gave. Because was it? I went to like every time I'm out,
Oh, this one is
My
quite
God.
cool because it's color pink or purple.
Body wash. Cashmere everything. Cashmere body wash. Cashmere body lotion. Is it looks well? I can still smell it through the thing. It's
Yeah,
fine.
because you are a lady now, so
I'm gonna.
you should
Use
have
all
that
these.
all stuff. I will.
What is this? It's so small.
Oh wow, that's
If
That's
you
quite
use all
good.
of that, someone's gonna eat you.
wait, look.
What's this? It's so small.
Oh, so cute! That's so cute. It's a perfume.
It's so small.
Handbag.
Oh,
Oh,
that was so cute.
This one maybe is even a concentrate.
I don't know what
You
it
just put-
is.
you just put behind your ear like
Eh.
here.
I think so.
You put behind the ear here.
I think you go like that and then
Behind the ear. Yeah, and the other side as well.
you just don't
Oops.
drop it.
Face meal as well. Oh, I was surprised all inside. Why? Because I
Oh,
don't
it smells
know.
nice.
So when somebody hugs you,
I can
They just smell
maybe
it.
I have. Maybe I'm positive. Why I can't
No.
smell?
No, can't be. Can't be.
Oh my god!
so
I'm not
these
gonna
little ones
show
usually
this.
they're like concentrates, you know?
Yeah,
Very strong.
it's like with the
Oh,
roll.
you still have? Oh, really?
There's so much for some reason.
Oh, I'm
Out of
surprised right
nowhere.
now.
Oh, I'm jealous.
I think it's hand cream.
You're jealous?
Oh yeah, it's hand cream.
Oh,
this
you
open
got
it?
a hand cream. It's gonna give me as well. I wanna try.
Oh, that's a lot. I put a lot on my hand.
Okay, I did.
Just take it.
ask for
Do you want some?
Yeah, just to try.
Mm.
I seriously can smell nothing. Yes.
I smell it, but it's very faint, so
Yeah, it is quite a thing. Maybe it needs to like dry.
it's quite faint. But it is like you can smell a little bit, but it is still nice. And that's it. That's all that's in the bottom.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all,
How many in
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 stuff.
oh 5 stuff in the bags.
Yeah.
Quite a nice set.
Yes.
It smells really
that's
nice.
it. And now I know open all yours
Now
first.
open your one.
Open your
Okay,
next.
and you are the next?
Yeah.
Yes.
Open this one.
No wait.
No, open for me.
No, I already show this one
Okay.
from mommy.
Let's see what this is.
Oh, that's
Look
a lot
at
of
this! Oh, I really like it. I'm so
Yeah,
happy with
you can't
this.
see in the camera.
Huh? No, it's.
Come to the camera. You can't see the picture.
Oh, look at this! Oh, I love them. Look at that. Oh. It's my travel. Stop.
It's all rose.
The more
Yes.
people want to see expression, you need to be in kind of frame.
What do you want me to do? No, I can. I think. Okay, I'm gonna read some. What is this name? Love cards.
Yeah.
From husband. My love wife, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you very, very much. Kisses from hubby. And I'm gonna open this as well. Oh. I'm excited. Gift from husband. Oh, like him. I think my favorite perfume.
No, that's a lot of perfume.
Oh, I like it because this is my favorite. This one. Yes, this one. Look. Oh, look at. I have what is this?
Might be hand lotion.
Cream. This one. What is this?
I don't know what that
This
is.
is eyelash.
Really?
Eyelash? Is it like to darken
Or
your- like-
eyelid? Or I don't know.
Eyelashes.
Check what it is.
Ah, mascara.
Eyelashes,
Really?
Eyelashes.
Yeah, mascara for eyelashes.
Yo, I really like it.
Check your-
Ah, look at me. Oh my god, because I really love this perfume. I have another like this. I conserve it, you know, every time I spray because I'm going to Philippines, but I don't want it to be finished because I know I can't afford this in Philippines because it was quite expensive. So
Yeah.
conserve water.
Try your Gintano.
Okay, here's Kitari.
Oh.
Oh, we are the same.
Surprise, surprise.
We both got the same thing.
The same thing.
Same
It's very
perfume,
nice
same
smell.
lash. But I'm sure if you like it, then I'm sure I'll like it.
I really like it.
Ooh,
My
it's very
favorite.
thin.
It's very,
Yeah.
very
It
nice.
fits in your handbag.
My God, if you
Oh
go
yeah, it does.
and you're
Try, yeah.
very nice. Smell.
Oh, my hands are slippery from the cream.
I want to try this as well. I don't know what is this. This small one.
Mmm, that smells nice.
That's a handbag.
Huh?
Isn't
The
it
handbag.
for like? Isn't it the concentrate?
Oh,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
it's
no.
Yeah,
spray.
it's for the handbag.
Is it?
It's like a
So
handbag.
you're going to
version.
party, you have a pouch, but you can put. Wait, it's not.
It's because
working.
it was
Oh.
it like it takes a few.
Oh,
clicks.
this is. Oh my God, I'm very in love with the smell. I
Oh,
in love
so
very
nice.
much. Yes. Oh my God.
It smells so nice.
Okay, and next is. Okay, I'm gonna open this from. No, wait, I'm gonna open for from Boboy to Raymond.
Bobo.
From one of our
Bobo.
friends. You should open it because it's for you.
Come into the frame.
Oh. I like doing this. Oh.
Oh, shut up!
I don't know what is that yet because I didn't see. Wow. It's a Tommy. You know the brand anyone? Tommy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Tommy Hilfiger.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Tommy jeans. I hope it's your size.
Oh. Tommy. G.
Tommy Hilfiger jeans.
I
Yes.
hope it's your size. Yeah, thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you, Boo Boo. Thank you. Thank you very much for the t-shirt. I love it so
Oh,
much.
there's a whole
Thank
thing of
you.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, good food. Good food.
And it's my size as well, medium. Well done.
Save your size.
I will have chocolate here. Welcome
coins.
all the blessings. And I
Chocolate
have
Show them how much chocolate I have.
I have Primark gift card from my boss.
Chocolate coins.
So it's card. I want to show you it's card, but it has money on it. It's gonna
Hey,
be.
look, it's you.
We swipe it.
Looks
I
like
go
you.
to shopping, then swipe it, but then I get all the stuff I want
Yeah,
from
gift
this card. It's my
Gift
boss
card.
gave it to me.
Oh, there's actual money in there.
Yeah, I put £2, £1
That's
Because
it
of
was
the-
all chocolate.
because tonight when 12 o'clock
What is this?
we're gonna do like this.
This is fucking
Okay,
Talis, huh?
yes, freaking tari.
Open your present with Talis. This year we have a lot of presents.
Yeah.
You know, been forgotten, they've been loved by people.
Oh. Ma. Phone. Do you hear that? Is it Mum?
Yeah. Someone's
Hi,
calling.
Mum. I'm good. I'm with Gigi and Aisha. In house. We're unpacking gifts. I have gifts.
Happy New Year, mommy.
Happy New Year, mommy. Thank you for the
Mom, you're on speaker.
Yes, Happy New Year, Isha.
Happy New Year. Thank you for all the presents. You're a billionaire.
Thank you.
Gigi, did you like bacon?
Wow, we actually been dreaming this for a very long time now. for
Yeah,
months.
it's true.
Oh, you know how Gintara is here? Gintara on.
Yes, we know Gintari came fully packed.
Yes.
But, oh, that is
Because I'm
heavy.
not gonna.
It is! Mum!
Let me help my
Mum.
back. It is.
It hurts so bad. You don't understand. I was texting my friends. I was just like, my shoulders are gonna fall off my body. My shoulders gonna fall off. It hurts so bad. It was so heavy. And I was like, what did Mum pack? All I saw was coffee and a jar of honey. That's all I saw. I didn't know you packed meat.
Thanks God that you not see down meat.
It was so heavy. Oh my god.
Thank you, mama.
No, you can enjoy the bacon. You can cut little bit, make the breakfast.
Yeah.
With the brown bread.
Yes,
You know, with the tea.
yes.
I miss you, mommy.
I miss you too, darling. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How are you? How is your work?
It's all good. I have an off because I need to spend my New Year with my husband.
Wow, your husband is posh today, yeah? You have a lot of presents.
Yeah. We're unboxing because I'm doing my vlog.
Okay.
Do you want to say hello to the vlog?
To who?
To the vlog.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, love you.
Love you.
Bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Mommy.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I'm going to work, my dear. I just now wake up.
Ooh. Good luck for your work then. You're gonna have a rough shift today, aren't you?
Oh, it's okay, it's fine. No problem.
Alright. I love you,
Oh,
Mommy.
Okay, love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
That was my mum. Our mum.
Our mom, yeah.
Yeah.
Our mouth. Okay, now I should open it because I have.
It's
Sam?
I think it's another perfume maybe.
Yeah, it's another perfume.
Wow, this year we're gonna smell everyone nice and
Yeah. Everyone's gonna be jealous.
exciting.
I wanna see what it is. Yes, it is perfume. It is. Vanilla blush. Oh, I love the smell of vanilla
Oh, I'm
as
not
well.
finished it. Oh.
Oh. I can't tell if it's from all the other perfumes or not. Give me your wrist. Give me your
Wow, I don't want to smell like girl.
Char long.
Give me
Babe,
your
don't be killjoy.
Give me.
Oh my god. All the boys gonna eat me now.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells so
Smells nice.
feminine.
Smells so sweet.
Yes.
Wanna
Okay,
bite?
mine as well is again.
Go on.
It's time for me again. Look
Ooh.
at this.
Confetti in it.
Surprise! Look at this, how cool it is. Ouch.
Wow, nice present.
Oh my god, I think it's a diamond one inside. Ooh.
Ooh, fancy. Velvet pouch.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I know where this is from. Mum. From Mum.
Okay, can you put this on?
Okay. Ooh.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Diamond.
There you go.
Yes.
It's from
It's
Mum.
a diamond one. And next is Kentari again.
Is it?
It's for you.
Me.
Yay!
Yay!
Ooh. I see chocolate. And I see makeup brushes, which I need desperately. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, another one.
Wow.
No, it's for me. I put it there by accident.
Chocolate. I will be eating this.
Wow.
These are so good.
Ferrero Rocher.
These are so good. And I barely have them. So
Like it?
this, yes.
Highest quality.
Okay.
Oh, it's amazing.
Now it's my time. From Kitty, from my friend, from my
Hello, Katie.
vlogger friend. Say hi to my friend.
Hello.
Hello, Katie.
What is this from her?
Ooh. Clothes.
Ooh.
Oh!
Wow, we have matching t-shirts now.
Matching t-shirts.
Matching t-shirts.
Thank you very much for this gift.
Wow.
Isn't
Fresh.
Don't mix the Kentari, huh?
No.
Don't worry, I'm not, I don't have a shirt. I'm probably sure.
Okay, next is for Kentari as well.
Again?
And
Just
this
keep
is the
coming.
last for you, and this is the last for me. Okay, this is the
Wow.
last for you.
Hair. Is this hair? It's
Yeah.
hair. It's a wig.
Yeah, it's a wig.
Is it a wig? Oh, Mum's gonna steal this off me. I know it. I know she's gonna steal it on me. She's gonna try. I'm gonna put it on my head.
I could do it like that.
Do you want it? Do you want me to put it on your head?
Ooh,
No,
extensions.
because I am a
Oh,
lady,
it's
you know.
extended.
It's like a party when you ponytail your hair like this, sweetie.
Oh, yeah.
But then you put it there, so it's gonna be.
Like
Yeah,
it was it. You put it
yeah.
like that.
And it's
Oh, it's blonde.
it's almost same in your hair.
It matches the back of my hair because I've bleached the back of my hair.
Yeah.
Wait, let me show it. It's because if I don't show it, then people won't believe me. Because I bleached the back of my hair. This isn't natural. This is
Yeah.
bleached. I've also bleached the front.
This is how I get smart in school.
You bleached your hair?
Yeah, the bag here so the school can see it.
Yeah, was it? Because they've seen it, but they just don't do anything. So, oh, it's like the back of my head. I wonder if I just can extend my hair.
This is for me, darling, or for you? Where is for you?
That's you. I put mine on the bed.
Okay.
And was it here? You can tie it as well.
Yeah.
Mum's gonna try to steal off this. I know she is, because she's gonna be like, I want longer hair, and then she's gonna dye it this color, and then she's gonna steal it off me.
Oh.
Oh, she won't.
Now I'm gonna read another card from one of our friends from Boboy Guapo, Raymond and Isa. Christmas is for sharing, caring, loving, and giving. May your Christmas be simply wonderful. For a special couple, love lots, Boboy.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you
Boboy.
so much. And this is the last one from Boboy as well, from Boboy Guapo Masbatenio. Shout out Team BGM. We are Team BGM. Because he has a lot of friends bloggers, you know. Oh, it's for me. I think I like it. I think I like it.
Wow, wow, wow. Exciting. We want to see it
I
as
hope
well.
it's a dress. I think I like it because I already like it, the cloth.
We want to see it.
Ooh, it is a dress. It is.
Oh, I like it very much. Oh my god, seriously. Oh, tick, 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 tick. Oh, seriously, I like it very much. I like the
Amazing.
clothes.
Amazing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look. It's got this thing on next to it. Oh, it's to, was it to wrap around your waist?
Yeah, wow. Such a
So you got
lovely
that.
present. Thank you so much.
That's
And
lovely,
that's it.
nice.
All the presents is opened already. So we're gonna say bye, say something.
So guys, thank you so much for coming in, and we're gonna celebrate Christmas now and a Happy New Year, and then everyone wishing a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and stay healthy and safe all year round, and we'll hopefully see you very soon, probably in the next year's vlog as well. Just follow us on YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and passing the word now to the blogger.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Hope you enjoy, guys, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Oh, be careful.